don't move!
Why? What happened?
There's something moving under the cabinet!
What?
Dad, don't move!
What is that? Nobody move!
Mike, calm down. Squeak!
Did you hear that?
Yes, Dad, we all heard it. Hi.
It's just a mouse.
That's what you said very quietly.
I am not scared.
Then why are you standing on the chair? Mike?
I am being careful.
Wait, where is the bread?
The bread?
I left a whole loaf here this morning.
And now it's almost gone.
So we have a hungry visitor.
A visitor? Look, the crumbs make a trail. They go under the cabinet.
So the suspect is still inside. Let's follow the trail.
It's getting closer. Almost there.
Careful now. What will we find?
There!
He's running! Don't chase him!
I wasn't going to.
Stop! You'll scare it! But Mom, it's getting away!
Kids, back up!
Let it go! He's going toward the table!
Stop him!
Don't scare him! Dad, move!
I'm trying!
I'm trying! Over there! Over there!
Oh no! Whoa!
I can't see him. Check under the table.
I'll supervise.
Of course you will.
Whoa! What?
There! Dad, he went behind you!
Yeah, get it!
It's so fast! Under the table! This way!
Almost got it!
It's hiding! Let's corner it! He went into the hallway! Don't run! But he's so fast!
Why is he always running toward me?
He's gone! How did he disappear?
I don't like this.
Let's look carefully. Wait, what? That cushion moved.
The cushion?
Yes, it moved by itself. Whoa.
Let's see.
There he is!
Whoa!
Dad, you jumped again!
I did not!
Squeak! He's going toward the playroom. Maybe he likes toys.
I hope he doesn't start playing with them.
Let's see.
He's hiding behind the toy box. I have an idea.
Please make it a safe idea.
It is. Let's open the back door.
Then give Peanut a clear path.
He can walk outside by himself.
That sounds much better than chasing him.
I'll open it. Slowly. Good.
Everybody stay calm.
Come on, Peanut. He doesn't seem sure. Give him time.
Take all the time you need.
Come on, Peanut. He's going! Yes! Let him go.
Goodbye, little guy.
Wait, I can't see him. He disappeared into the flowers.
Already?
He's probably hiding safely.
Let's find him.
Okay.
There.
Where?
Near that flower.
Is it Peanut?
Look, he's going outside. Yes, he's finally out of the house.
Good. Let's make sure he doesn't come back inside.
I've got
Goodbye, little mouse. He's safe outside now.
And the house is safe too.
Door closed.
Dad, be honest.
About what?
Were you scared?
I was slightly concerned.
Slightly? Being scared is okay.
But staying calm helps.
And we should always treat animals carefully.
I completely agree.
Let's clean the kitchen.
And store the bread properly. Good idea.
I agree completely.
Dad, what are you doing?
Checking the cabinet.
For another mouse?
Just making sure. Fine, I was scared.
Really?
Yes, but I didn't run away.
You climbed onto a chair.
That was temporary.
Being scared is okay, but staying calm helps, and animals should be treated carefully.
And bread should be kept in a container.
Dad! So, Dad, are you still afraid of mice?
No, absolutely not.
Really?
Really.
Have you ever seen a mouse in your house?
What happened?
Tell us your funniest story in the comments.
And remember, stay calm.
Keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for another funny English story.
See you next time.